The NCAA suffered another legal setback on Wednesday, this time losing a case involving Vanderbilt quarterback Diego Pavia. The lawsuit, argued by Pavia's attorneys, challenged the NCAA's rule that a player must complete their eligibility within a set timeframe, typically 5 years, regardless of how much time they spend at junior colleges. Pavia's lawyers contended that time spent in junior college should not count against a player's NCAA eligibility clock since junior colleges aren't governed by the NCAA. They argued that the current rule unfairly limits a player's ability to earn through opportunities like name, image, and likeness, nil, especially for junior college transfers. The court sided with Pavia, further chipping away at the NCAA's control over eligibility regulations. This ruling adds to a series of legal defeats for the NCAA in recent years, which have drastically undermined its power. Key losses include a December 2023 decision that lifted the NCAA's restrictions on player transfers, allowing athletes to change teams freely without losing a year of eligibility. A ruling earlier this year that invalidated the NCAA's nil rules, enabling boosters to negotiate with players before they even enroll in college. The ongoing House versus NCAA case, which could result in $2.8 billion in back pay to athletes and the establishment of revenue-sharing agreements between schools and players. As the NCAA faces these legal challenges, the future of the association seems uncertain. The latest blow to the eligibility clock is part of a larger trend of legal and financial shifts in college sports, signaling the eventual collapse of the NCAA's traditional amateur model. This could eventually lead to a major overhaul, with academic reforms and changes to how student athletes are treated and compensated on the horizon. The loss highlights how the NCAA's power is eroding, as courts continue to challenge its long-standing rules in favor of greater player autonomy and financial compensation. As this trend progresses, it may signal the imminent collapse of the NCAA's current structure.